today. What's our first step? We got to make sure it's in what? Standard form, which is what? Plus x plus c equals 0. Okay, you guys got that. Good. Second step. What do we need to do? Add 19. We got to get c to the other side. So I'm going to add 19 to both sides. Okay? Those cancel out. I'm left with x squared plus 10x. What do I do right here? Plus blank equals 19 plus blank. Okay, let's see if you can remember this. I'll give you a bonus point to your team. What are we trying to get over here, or what? Starts with a perfect
Square.
trinomial. Thank you, Passion. All right, perfect square trinomial, okay? Now, how do I figure out what goes in this blank? What's the formula for the blank?
B
squared.
Close.
over 2
B over 2 squared. Okay. Now, what's our B?
is the B.
10. So I say 10 divided by 2 squared. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5 squared is?
25.
So guess what goes in that blank?
25.
All right, now I want to factor out the left side. Perfect square trinomial is where I have the same parentheses back to back. Okay, so I'm going to write one parentheses and square it. How do I factor? I got to find the factors of what?
25.
All right, what times 1 will give me 25?
Times 25.
And?
5 times 5.
All right, which one can combine somehow to give us 25 and add to give us 10? 5 and 5, right? Both our signs are addition. Keep that. What's 19 plus 25?
34.
Good. 44. 44. Do I have the same parentheses?
Yeah.
So what do I do? Write it once and put a square to it. Okay? How do I get rid of that exponent right there? What do I have to do to both sides? Not yet. Take the square root of both sides. Okay? Take the square root of both sides. That gives me x plus 5 equals plus or minus the square root of 44. Okay? If I wanted to break that down, I would have x plus 5 equals plus or minus, let's see, 2 on the square root of 11? Yeah. Okay? Now to get that, all I did was use my factor tree. Okay? Subtract 5 from both sides. My answer, you should have got x equals negative 5 plus or minus 2 on the square root of 11. Stop that bad boy, Coach.